In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now tap on any of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!